with its huge 450 Newton-meters of torque, coupled with 3 forward and 3 reverse drives, the CIR18LIC cordless impact wrench from Clarke makes an excellent addition to any worksite or workshop. It is the perfect electric impact wrench for steel erectors, fitters, engineers and garage mechanics, and can drive bolt sizes all the way up to M14. 3 integral LED work lights illuminate whenever the trigger is depressed, increasing safety and ease of use. And a belt clip is included for convenience when moving around the site. The brushless motor gives increased power, battery life and longevity when compared to a conventional motor. Impact drivers should only be used with purpose-designed half-inch square drive impact sockets, a range of which are available from your local Clarke stockist, including deep socket sets to protect alloy wheels and hard-to-reach areas. Supplied with 2 powerful 2 amp-hour batteries and a fast charger, the CIR18LIC is ideal for intensive use. The variable speed trigger offers 3 ranges of up to 1400, 2200 and 2900 impacts per minute, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Supplied complete with its own molded carry case, 2 batteries and a fast charger, the CIR18LIC cordless impact wrench from Clarke will give you many years of faultless service.